Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. This is biology session. You are watching excretion, the excretory products and their elimination. We have completed the lesson. So in this particular video we are going to discuss about the questions which are repeated in the previous Olympiad exams. Okay, so before going to that, let us review the key concepts briefly. What is excretion? The process of elimination of nitrogenous wastes from the body is called excretion. What are main excretory products? Ammonia, urea and uric acid in animals. Then what are the excretory products in plants? In plants there are two types of metabolites are produced, especially secondary metabolites like alkaloids, resins, tannins, gum, latex. These are all the excretory products in plants. So how the animals are classified based on excretion? Animals are classified into three major groups. What are they? Ammonotelic animals, ureotelic animals and uricotelic animals. Okay, what are ammonotelic animals? The animals that secrete ammonia as the primary nitrogenous waste material, they are called ammonotelic animals. Most of the aquatic animals like fishes, they are ammonotelic. Then what are uricotelic animals? The animals that excrete urea as the primary nitrogenous waste material, they are called ureotelic animals. Example, adult amphibians and mammals. Then what are uricotelic animals? The animals which tend to excrete uric acid as a waste in the form of white paste or powder, they are called uricotelic. Example, insects, birds and reptiles. Okay children. Then what are nephrons? Nephrons are the functional units of kidneys. So each kidney is made up of numerous delicate uriniferous tubules or nephrons. Then Malpighian body or renal capsule. What are the parts of nephron? Malpighian body or renal capsule, it is the first part. Then second one is the tubular portion. So the Malpighian body has a cup shaped depression called Bowman's capsule. Okay, in the Bowman's capsule, a tuft of capillary network called glomerulus is present. It is formed by the efferent arteriole. Next, in the tubular portion, the proximal convoluted tubule. What is the function? Most of the water re-enters into the blood capillaries and about 80% of the water is reabsorbed in the proximal convoluted tubule. Glucose, amino acids, vitamin C, and these are all reabsorbed back in the PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. Then what is the mechanism of renal secretion? The renal tubules also secrete into their lumen many substances like urea, creatine, uric acid, para-aminohippuric acid. Okay, so this is called renal secretion. What is osmoregulation? Osmoregulation maintains the proper balance of electrolytes in the human body, and it depends on the external factors such as temperature, diet and weather conditions, isn't it? Then urea. What is urea? A water soluble organic compound The formula is CONH3 taken twice. It is formed by the metabolism of proteins and excreted in the form of urine. Then what is uric acid? A bicyclic heterocyclic phenolic compound formed in the body by the metabolism of proteins and is excreted in the urine. What are the two types of metabolites in plants? Primary metabolites, example proteins, carbohydrates in the form of starch, fats, lipids. Secondary metabolites, alkaloids, tannins, resins, gums and latex. Okay children, this is the brief review. So let us proceed to the Olympiad worksheet or the NEET and EAMCET level previous contest questions. Question number 1. What is the major function of contractile vacuole? The major function of contractile vacuole is excretion, circulation, osmoregulation, all the above. Osmoregulation, regulation of a percentage of water in the body. Contractile vacuole is present in the freshwater protozoans like amoeba, paramecium, euglena. Question 2. Uric acid is the chief nitrogenous waste in frog, birds, fishes, man. So uricotelic, birds and reptiles. In cockroach, excretion is performed by, what is the excretory organ of cockroach? Insect. Rennetty cells, flame cells, nephridia, Malpighian tubules. It is the Malpighian tubules. So if you take the cockroach, the gut, foregut and hindgut, in between there are some thread-like structures are present like this. They are called Malpighian tubules. Okay. So these Malpighian tubules open into the body cavity, that is hemocoel. They collect the waste materials and opens into the gut. Okay, along with the feces, the waste materials is eliminated out. So these are called Malpighian tubules. Okay. The excretory organ of annelids, nephridia, flame cells, Malpighian cells, green glands. So nephridia are the excretory organs of annelids. Annelids means example earthworm, leech, nereis. Okay. The following is the ammonotelic animal: whales, seals, lizard, salamander. Ammonotelic, exclusively water. Seals are ammonotelic. The flame cells are excretory organs of prawn, tapeworm, insects, birds. In prawn, green glands are present. In tapeworm, flame cells. Insects, Malpighian tubules. Birds, kidneys. Okay. Birds excrete waste in the form of urea, proteins, uric acid, water. Uric acid. Which of the following are the secondary metabolites in plants? Alkaloids, tannins, resins. All of these. All of these. Which of the following are nitrogenous wastes? Ammonia, urea, uric acid. All of these. Which of the following are ammonotelic? Fishes, mammals, birds, snakes. Fishes. Which of the following are ureotelic, which excrete urea? Frog, fish, bird, snake. Frog. Which of the following are uricotelic? Insects, birds, reptiles. All. The function of mammalian kidney is to excrete extra salt, urea and excess water. Extra urea, excess water and excess of amino acids. Extra urea, extra carbohydrates and extra water. Extra urea, extra salts and extra sugar. It is extra salts and excess water and urea. Which of the following group of animals undergo excretion by diffusion? Sponges, protozoa, echinodermata, all of these. Diffusion occurs in all these invertebrates. Excretory organ of planaria are nephridia, flame cells, kidneys, liver. Flame cells. In annelids like earthworm and leech, excretion takes place through nephridia, flame cells, kidneys. None of these. Nephridia. In mollusks, nephridia are grouped together to form Malpighian tubules, kidney, flame cells, alimentary canal. Kidney. In freshwater protozoans, osmoregulation takes place through kidneys, flame cells, contractile vacuoles, Malpighian tubules. Contractile vacuoles. In the insect which do not drink water throughout life, the insect which do not drink water throughout life and do not excrete any nitrogenous waste matter is cockroach, silverfish, housefly, mosquito. It is the silverfish, the insect which won't excrete. You will find this silverfish insect in old books. Okay, it appears to be silvery, shiny. Okay. Uriniferous tubules are found in kidneys, testes, ovary, stomach. In the kidneys. Nephrons are also called uriniferous tubules. Urine mainly consists of uranium, urea, carbon dioxide, sugar. Urine mainly consists of urea. The concentration of urea is highest in renal artery, hepatic portal vein, dorsal aorta, hepatic vein. Hepatic portal vein means the blood vessel which connects the liver and kidney. Okay. So actually the ammonia which is produced as a byproduct of metabolism of amino acids, which is very harmful, it enters into the liver where ornithine cycle takes place. During the ornithine cycle, ammonia is converted into urea. That urea containing blood, impure blood, is shifted to the kidneys where it is filtered. Okay, hepatic portal vein contains more concentration of or highest concentration of urea. The contractile vacuole is analogous to sweat gland, kidney, seminiferous tubule, nerve fiber, kidney. So just like contractile vacuole in freshwater protozoans like amoeba, it eliminates the excess of water from the body, that is osmoregulatory in function. So kidney also eliminates the excess of water from the body. So the function of contractile vacuole and kidney are analogous, similar. Next, the next one, in the kidneys of mammals, loop of Henle can be found in. Loop of Henle is found in medulla, cortex, pelvis, pyramid. The loop of Henle is found in. Okay, children, what is loop of Henle? Loop of Henle is the part of nephron. Okay, the tubular portion is divided into proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, and distal convoluted tubule. Okay. Okay, children. So it is present in the pelvis. Okay children, in the kidneys of mammals, loop of Henle can be found in medulla, cortex, pelvis, pyramid. It is found in the pelvis. Urea is disposed of by spleen, liver, kidney, both A and B, spleen and liver. So disposed means which is excreted out. So kidneys. Bowman's capsule and glomerulus form cortex, pyramid, Malpighian body, medulla. Bowman's capsule and glomerulus, it will form the actually Malpighian capsule. Okay. Next, loop of Henle is a part of uriniferous tubule, seminiferous tubule, neuron, muscle fiber. Uriniferous tubule or nephron. In a nephron, water absorption is maximum in proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, glomerulus, distal convoluted tubule. In a nephron, water absorption is maximum in loop of Henle. The concentration of urea is least in renal artery, renal vein, post caval vein, dorsal aorta. In the renal vein, in the renal artery, the artery which brings blood to the kidney, the concentration of urine is least. Urea is transported by plasma, blood, RBC, WBC. Plasma. Okay. The mechanism of uric acid secretion in the nephron is diffusion, excretion, ultrafiltration, osmosis. It is the ultrafiltration. Glucose is reabsorbed in the kidney mainly by Bowman's capsule, loop of Henle, proximal convoluted tubule, distal convoluted tubule. Most of the glucose is reabsorbed in the Bowman's capsule itself during glomerular filtration. In the distal convoluted tubule of nephron, which of the following occurs? Sodium reabsorption requires energy. Secretion of potassium does not require energy. Water reabsorption requires energy. Ammonia is secreted. So it is the sodium reabsorption which requires energy occur in the distal convoluted tubule. The difference between glomerular filtrate and blood plasma is the proteins in plasma, potassium, first is white and second is yellow, means glomerular filtrate is white and blood plasma is yellow. The proteins in glomerular filtrate. Okay. So here the difference between glomerular filtrate and blood plasma is proteins in the plasma are present, but whereas in the glomerular filtrate proteins are absent. Okay. Which one is excretory organ among the following? Archaeocyte, choanocyte, solenocyte, pinacocyte. Okay, these are all the cells of different organisms. It is a solenocyte which is excretory in function. Podocytes are the cells present on outer wall of Bowman's capsule, inner wall of Bowman's capsule, then neck of nephron, wall of glomerular capillaries. So podocytes are present in the outer wall of Bowman's capsule. Diuresis is a condition in which the excretory volume of urine increases, the excretory volume of urine decreases, the kidney fail to excrete urine, the water balance of the body is disturbed. Diuresis. It is the excretory volume of the urine decreases. Glucose is mainly observed in PCT, DCT, means proximal convoluted tubule, distal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, nephron. So it occurs in the Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule is a part of nephron, so nephron. Excretion of bile pigments in the urine indicates anemia, diabetes, gout, jaundice. Okay, it is the jaundice yellow pigment which is excreted in the urine. The kidneys resemble the contractile vacuoles of amoeba in expelling out excess of water, expelling out glucose, expelling out urea and uric acid, expelling out salts, expelling out excess of water. A. In the kidney, the correct sequence of formation of urine involves the following process: glomerular filtration, reabsorption, tubular secretion, reabsorption, filtration, secretion, filtration, secretion, reabsorption, reabsorption, secretion, filtration. Means correct sequence. Here first glomerular filtration, then reabsorption, then tubular secretion. If a man takes in large amount of proteins, he is likely to secrete more amount of urea, uric acid, sugar, carbon dioxide. Obviously urea. Some plants store waste in their fruits in the form of solid bodies called rhaphides, lenticels, stomata, resins. Rhaphides are the stored solid bodies in the fruits. Name the waste products secreted by plants: carbon dioxide, oxygen, water vapor. All are correct. The different types of excretory structures and the animals are given below. Match them appropriately and mark the correct answer from among those given below. Excretory structure or organ: animals. Protonephridia, nephridia, Malpighian tubules, green gland or antennal gland. Here animals: prawn, cockroach, earthworm, flatworms. First let us match. Protonephridia, it is present in the flatworms. Nephridia present in the earthworm. Malpighian tubule present in the cockroach. Green gland or antennal gland present in the prawn. So A4, B3, C2, D1. It is the first option. Which one of the following statements is incorrect? Birds and land snails are uricotelic animals. Mammals and frogs are ureotelic animals. Aquatic amphibians and aquatic insects are ammonotelic animals. Birds and reptiles are ureotelic, which is incorrect. Okay, first, birds and land snails are uricotelic. Yes, correct. Mammals and frogs are ureotelic. Correct. Aquatic amphibians and aquatic insects are ammonotelic. It is also correct. So birds and reptiles are ureotelic. This is wrong. Actually they are uricotelic. So the option D. Next, the urine is hypotonic to blood and isotonic in medullary fluid, hypertonic to blood and isotonic to medullary fluid, isotonic to blood and hypotonic to medullary fluid, isotonic to blood and hypertonic to medullary fluid. Here hypertonic to blood and isotonic to medullary fluid. It is a question appeared in the EAMCET 2009. The various methods used by plants to get rid of their waste products are. We have to select the statements which are correct. The first statement, gaseous waste through stomata and lenticels. Yes, it is correct. Next, number 2, stored solid and liquid waste by shedding the leaves, peeling of bark and falling of fruits. It is also correct. The third statement, by secreting waste in the form of gum and resins. It is also correct. So 1, 2 and 3 statements are correct. The marine teleost fish excretes. Delhi pre-medical test 2005, this question appeared. Marine teleost fish, teleost means bony fish, okay, ammonia, triethylamine oxide, uric acid, amino acids. It is the triethylamine oxide they excrete. Okay, glomeruli confined to cortex, medulla, pelvis, pyramid. Glomeruli confined to cortex, outer region. The major function of contractile vacuole of amoeba and other seas. Major function of contractile vacuole of amoeba and other seas. Excretion, circulation, osmoregulation, all of these. Osmoregulation. The blood vessel that take blood away from the kidney. Renal portal vein, afferent arteriole, efferent arteriole. It is the renal vein. Okay. Ornithine cycle is related to respiration, excretion, digestion, circulation. Ornithine cycle occurs in the liver related to excretion. In prawns, excretion is carried out by nephrons, Malpighian tubules, flame cells, green glands. In prawns, green glands are the excretory organs. There is a great diversity in the excretion in arthropods or insects, the largest group in the animal kingdom. Okay. In ornithine cycle, which of the following wastes are removed from the body? Carbon dioxide and urea, ammonia and urea, urea and urine, carbon dioxide and ammonia. Okay. So actually in the ornithine cycle, ammonia is converted to urea. Okay. So option B. Next, if liver is removed, which component of the blood will increase? Ammonia, protein, uric acid, urea. So ornithine cycle takes place. Ammonia, if liver is removed, ammonia is not converted to urea. So immediate blood poisoning leads to death, hepatitis, where liver is damaged. Okay, the flame cells are excretory organs in prawn, planaria, silverfish, hydra. In planarians, flame cells are the excretory organs. Hemodialysis helps the patient having goiter, anemia, uremia, diabetes. Uremia, where kidney failure occur. The pH of human urine is approximately, okay, it is slightly, or it's basic alkaline, 6.5, 7, 6, 7.5. It is approximately 6.5. Which one of the following statements is incorrect? Birds and land snails are eurycotylic animals. Mammals and frogs are euryotelic. Aquatic amphibians is repeated. Birds and reptiles are euryotelic. So it is D. Next, which of the following pairs is wrong? Eurycotylic birds, euryotelic insects, ammonotelic tadpole, euryotelic elephant. So ammonotelic tadpole is wrong. Remaining all. Oh, here wrong one you have to select. Eurycotylic birds, okay, right. Euryotelic insects are eurycotylic, so it is wrong. Ammonotelic tadpole, okay, it's right. Euryotelic elephant, it's right. So the answer is B, not C, it's B. Next, the condition of accumulation of urea in the blood is termed as renal calculi, glomerular nephritis, uremia, ketonuria. Uremia, accumulation of urea in the blood. In which excretory organ is urea produced? Skin, liver, kidney, lungs. Produced in the liver. In which excretory organ? Ammonia is converted to urea in the liver and excreted by the kidneys. Which excretory organ? Which excretory organ eliminates water and some chemical waste in perspiration? Lungs, skin, liver, kidneys. It is the skin. Organs of excretion that maintain homeostasis include the kidneys, lungs, skin and bronchus, diaphragm, bladder, liver. The organ of excretion that maintains homeostasis. So liver is one of the most important organ, must be included, maintaining the homeostasis. Which organ system removes cellular waste as the result of cellular respiration? Nervous system, digestive system, excretory system and circulatory system. Okay, it is the excretory system. These organs are responsible for what? Here kidneys are given. Storing urea, storing water, filtering blood. They don't have a particular job. The main function of these kidneys is filtering blood. Which system maintains the amount of water and minerals in the body? Nervous system, digestive system, excretory system, circulatory system. It is the excretory system which maintains water and minerals in the body. Glucose is absorbed actively by distal convoluted tubule, passively by distal convoluted tubule, actively by proximal convoluted tubule, passively by proximal convoluted tubule. It is actively absorbed by the proximal convoluted tubule. PCT is lined with, proximal convoluted tubule is lined with cuboidal epithelium with brush border, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, ciliated columnar epithelium. It is the brush bordered cuboidal epithelium, special epithelium present, okay, in the proximal convoluted tubule, which is wrongly matched. Distal convoluted tubule, absorption of glucose, Bowman's capsule, glomerular filtration, Henle's loop, concentration of urine, PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, absorption of sodium and potassium ions. It is the, okay, Bowman's capsule, glomerular filtration, correct. Henle's loop, concentration of urine, correct. Proximal convoluted tubule, absorption of sodium and potassium ions, correct. Distal convoluted tubule, absorption of glucose is wrong. So you have to select the wrongly matched one. A is the correct answer. Okay, children, these are some of the questions which are repeated in the previous contests. Okay, read the lesson. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.